Right, I've been sent this iZeeker trailcam, which has a significant advantage you might be able to spot, but I'll tell you about it in a sec. And I want to put it up against what I consider to be the industry standard, the Browning trailcam. I've got a friend called Oliver Rampley I've introduced you to in the past, who is a wildlife guide and a deer stalker, and he gets so excited about trail cams, he worries about things like focal length, and he uses the Browning. So that's the reason I've bought it, and I must say I can't fault it. Now, the clever bit about the iZeeker, where it definitely scores over the Browning, is it's got a solar panel on the top, so it doesn't require any batteries. I'm going to set them both up though, because quality of image is the most important thing. In an area just behind me, you might be able to see the maize crop over there. There's some roe living in there and in that little bit of woodland, and I've watched them and a fox come out at night directly behind me. So I'll set them up and we'll see what they produce and compare the images. And here are the results. This is the Browning trail cam video showing the doe I was almost certain was going to come out, actually coming out. That's amazing. And here is the iZeeker version, which you can see is probably truer to life for colour. It's a little bit wider field of view. I would say there's nothing in it. Considering the iZeeker is a quarter the price of the Browning trail cam, it's a pretty good one. So there you go, iZeeker. Don't know what it's like for durability, don't know how long it'll last, but for image quality, spot on.